Yo, what's good people? Welcome to the video. Now today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your first one arm pull-up. Now the one arm pull-up is one of the coldest moves that you can do in calisthenics, but it's also one of the hardest moves as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you what exercises to do and what progressions you're going to need to do in order to achieve your first one arm pull-up. Now stay tuned to the end because the last exercise is going to be the biggest contributor for you to achieve your first one arm pull-up. Now without further ado, let's get into the video guys. Alright, so it's warming up with some pull-ups. If you can't do pull-ups, then make sure you get your pull-up game on point before you even attempt to learn the one-arm pull-ups. Alright, so the first official exercise is archer pull-ups. Now for this exercise, what you're going to do is you're going to pull towards one side of your body with one arm, while the second arm is as straight as you can. And now this is going to help build up that one arm pulling strength in each of your biceps, and also it's going to strengthen your lats as well. So for this, you want to aim for low repetitions between 4 to 5 reps per set. Alright, up next we've got assisted banded one arm pull-ups. Now this is a great exercise to mimic the full version of the one arm pull-up, but instead you're going to use a band or you can use a towel to assist you on the way up. And this will help build up the pulling strength again in each of your arms. Now I suggest you aim between 5 to 8 reps for this exercise. Make sure you do it on both arms so you can have a fair and even strength development on both arms. Now apart from the strength gains that you get, this is actually a great exercise to build up muscle as well. Now another variation for this exercise is to use your second hand as the assisting arm, and more specifically your fingers. So now as you can see, I'm using 3 fingers to assist myself, and then for the next rep I'm going to go down to 2 fingers. So the less fingers that you use, the harder the exercise is, so make sure you include that as well. Now up next we got weighted pull-ups. Now for me, this is the best exercise to help develop that strength to do the one arm pull-ups. The weighted pull-up, man, is, to me, it's just the best exercise. It builds up strength and size at the same time. It's just one of the best pulling exercises that you can do in calisthenics. And for me personally, it was the biggest contributor for me to achieving the one arm pull-ups. Now for this exercise, I suggest you build up the strength to do at least 70% of your body weight. And that will help ensure that you have the strength to do the full one arm pull-up. Now realistically, weighted pull-ups could be the only exercise that you actually need to do to achieve it realistically. And then after some time and dedication, you have the strength to do full one arm pull-ups. Now please do it on a straight bar, not on the bar that I'm using right now, because the material along the bar isn't the same. So there you have it, that's the one arm pull-up. But as I said, this is a very difficult skill to learn. It's one of the advanced skills to learn in calisthenics, so please take your time with it. It will take some months for some of you, or even years for some of you people. So for me it took a couple months, but everyone's going to be different on their own separate journey to achieving the one arm pull-up. So again, thank you for watching. Now if you want to learn the one arm push-up, click this video right here and I'll show you what to do in order to achieve that as well. So again, thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one guys. I'm out.